Today's screen capture is finishing a painting using basic tool of Paint Bucket in Adobe Photoshop. So I'm going to open up an unfinished painting. This is one of my students, not mine. I like it, but I'm just going to quickly try and finish it just using the Paint Bucket tool over here. So I've opened it in Photoshop, my toolbar. I've clicked on Paint Bucket. Now I need to go up to the top here and change the tolerance to somewhere low. It'll probably be 32 as a default. I'm going to change it to 14 and we'll see how we go there. Now I'm going to just do blocks of colour, but hopefully with that tolerance I'll get a bit of texture. So first of all I'm going to do the sea. So I'm going to change the colour to something like the sky. Hit OK. So what I did there was I went down to my set background colour, clicked on it, which opened a box, and then moving outside of the box onto the painting, I could use the eyedropper to select what colour I wanted. So I can change that in there now. Hit OK. So now where the little arrow is on the thing, it will pour in paint. It leaves little gaps where there's canvas. See how it filled in the boat? I don't want that, so Control Z, that's one step back, then Control Alt Z, and keep on going backwards a few steps. So I'll take it back to there and I'll start again. I'm going to take it down to 10, or 11, and we'll try again. See, this time I stayed outside the boat. It's not filling in as bigger areas, so I didn't hit as much of the boat, and I'm happy about that. So I'll go with that at the moment, and I'll try and keep it on 11. So over here, the hills, I'll do in a green. So I'm going to switch my colours by switch foreground and background. Click on the top one now, and I'm going to get a green. I'm going to go with that green. Hit OK. And I can start filling in the hills. Well, I think they're hills. I'm not 100% sure. It's not my painting. So I'm going to do the base of the tree. Actually, I'll Control Z. I'll undo that. Now I'll do the top of the trees in the same green. Quickly. Now this is for an expressionist painting, so I've got a bit of leeway to paint with here. And all I'm trying for is as quick as results as possible. Okay, so we'll do brown. Now we'll click on that again, and we want brown, which is basically here. Go in there for the brown, hit OK, and we'll see what we can do with the trees very quickly. I'm tapping in the area just to try and Control Z. Ooh, Control Alt Z. Got a bit too much of the water, so I can go in here a bit just to get a bit of the different colours. Finally, I'll finish off my boat. Just put some red sails on my boat, going back into the colour picker, picking a reddish colour, and then just do my boat. Leave that for now, and then I will do the bottom of the boat, do that in black. Okay, and hopefully this will do most of Control Z. There we go. So now I could try and get a brush up here and see how big the circle is on the screen. That's how big the brush stroke will be. So I can change that up here by taking that down in size till it's about the size that I want. Okay, so remember I want a brown. So I'm going outside the box and clicking in the square, hitting OK. So now I'll try and just do some brush strokes with that. Just to link it up. And I might put a little bit of brown on my boat to define some edges.